The most powerful AI model today is slated for release today.
After the US government gave it a final look.
I'm Milo.
I'm Mila.
This is AI Daily.
And later in the show, why AI companions in China are about to lose their custom personalities.
But we start with OpenAI. After a significant delay, its next flagship model, reportedly named GPT 5.6, is scheduled to launch this Thursday. That's today.
And the delay is the story here. The release was held up due to concerns from the US government about national security risks. It's a new step in the relationship between frontier AI labs and regulators.
Right. We've had voluntary commitments in White House meetings, but an actual release delay tied to a national security review is different. It points to a new level of scrutiny on the capabilities of these systems before they go public.
The specific concerns haven't been detailed, but they typically revolve around misuse potential, things like advanced cyber attacks or help with building weapons.
And with each generation of model, that misuse potential gets more concrete. So the question for OpenAI is what they had to demonstrate or mitigate to get the green light.
And the question for the rest of the industry is whether this becomes the new normal. Does every frontier model now have to pass an undisclosed government review before it can be released to the public? Meanwhile, a new startup just raised a very large amount of money on a very specific thesis. General Intuition, based in New York, closed a $320 million funding round this morning at a $2.3 billion valuation.
And their goal is stated pretty clearly: pursuing AGI. The investor list is notable, including Cotu and Eric Schmidt, plus researchers with backgrounds at MIT and Google DeepMind.
The technical approach is what stands out. They believe the key to more general intelligence is teaching models to understand movement through space and time, understanding physics, basically.
And to do that, they're turning to gaming data, which makes perfect sense. Modern games are complex physics simulators. You have agents navigating 3D environments, interacting with objects, planning multi-step actions. It's a rich, contained, and data-heavy way to teach an AI about cause and effect in a world that resembles ours.
They're betting that reasoning about the physical world is a core building block that current models, trained mostly on text, are missing. It's a move from a disembodied intelligence to one that understands the constraints of a physical environment.
It's a very direct bet that the path to AGI runs through simulation. We've seen other labs use simulation data, but a $320 million bet says this is the main path, not just a supplemental one.
Understanding movement through space and time. Saying it out loud doesn't make it simpler.
For our third story, we go to China, where new regulations for AI companions are set to take effect on July 15th.
And the impact is going to be immediate. Overnight, reports confirm that platforms like Doubao and Qwen will be required to remove custom agents from their services.
Let's unpack custom agents. This is the feature that allows users to create their own AI personalities. You could build a bot based on a fictional character, a historical figure, or just a specific personality type you want to talk to. It's a huge part of the appeal of these platforms.
And it's the part that regulators are targeting. The new rules appear to be aimed at standardizing and controlling the types of AI interactions users can have. Removing user-generated personalities gives the platform companies, and by extension the government, much more direct oversight over the content and nature of AI conversations.
It's a fundamental shift in the product. Instead of a creative platform for users to build their own companions, these apps will offer a curated menu of pre-approved AI personalities.
The open question is the primary motive. Is it about preventing the creation of politically sensitive AI characters? Is it about data security? Or is it a broader move to ensure all AI interactions align with state-sanctioned values?
Whatever the reason, the result is the same. One of the most dynamic and creative corners of the consumer AI market in China is about to become much more uniform.
All right, what else is happening in AI today?
NVIDIA announced that LangChain deep agents, when tuned for the NVIDIA Nematron 3 Ultra model, are now delivering top-tier open model performance at a lower cost.
So the push for efficiency continues, even at the high end. It's not just about being the most capable, but the most capable per dollar.
Exactly.
A new flagship model from OpenAI, a massive new bet on gaming data for AGI, and a major regulatory shift in China.
The safety review is over. The real-world evaluation starts now.